Say goodbye to tangled cables and clunky card readers. Wirelessly transferring your precious photos and videos from your Nikon D3500 to your computer is easier than you think. First things first, ensure your Nikon D3500 has Wi-Fi enabled. You'll find this option in your camera's setup menu. Navigate through the menu using the directional buttons and the OK button until you find the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Once you access the Wi-Fi menu, select Enable to turn it on. Next, on your computer, you'll need to download and install Nikon's free SnapBridge application. You can find this on Nikon's official website. Once installed, launch SnapBridge and follow the on-screen prompts to set up a new connection. Now, back to your Nikon D3500. In the Wi-Fi menu, you'll want to select the option to connect to a smart device or computer. Your camera will then create its own Wi-Fi network. You might see a network name and a key displayed on your camera's screen. On your computer, open your Wi-Fi settings and look for the network name emitted by your camera. Will likely have Nikon in its name. Select this network and enter the password or key if prompted. Your camera and computer are now connected wirelessly. With both devices connected, open SnapBridge on your computer. Again, the application should automatically detect your Nikon D3500. You'll now see a screen displaying the photos and videos stored on your camera's memory card. Simply browse through your images, select the ones you want to transfer, and hit the download button. SnapBridge will then begin the wireless transfer process, bringing your captures directly to your computer without needing any cables. This method is perfect for quickly backing up your latest shoots or sharing them with others. And that's how you effortlessly transfer files from your Nikon D3500 to your computer using Wi-Fi, streamlining your workflow and keeping your creative process flowing without interruption.